everyone, it's Miss Stephanie, and before I start going over this problem with you all, I just wanted to say that I found a solution to our little video dilemma. Instead of just posting 9 videos at a time, I figured I would just give it to you all in one YouTube video. You don't need to subscribe to my YouTube channel or anything like that. I will just send you the link via email. So that's good news right there. So right now I'm going to go over problem 1 with you all on the PowerPoint. So I'm going to get my pen. So the problem 1 says circle the cubes. So we need to circle all the cubes. So we got to remember that cubes are 3-dimensional. So they're going to pop at you on the page. They're not just flat, they pop. And their faces are squares. So we have to remember that. So let's look at this first shape right here. So this shape, it does pop. So it is 3-dimensional. However, its faces aren't squared. So it is not a cube. So we'll put an X on that. The second figure, so this is also 3-dimensional. It pops out at you. And its faces are squares. So we can circle this figure right here. Okay, so the next figure kind of looks like our first figure, so we know that that's not a cube. Now this one you might think it's a cube, but it's not. So yes, this is a 3-dimensional figure. However, some of its faces are squared, but some of them are rectangles. And you can tell because not all the sides on some of the faces are equal. So we're going to put an X on that. Now this next one, we can see that it is 3-dimensional because it pops out at you. And we can also see that the faces are square, so we can circle that one. Yeah. And then the next one, it's not really popping out at us. It's kind of flat. And it is a square, but cubes have to pop out at us. They're 3-dimensional, and this is not 3-dimensional. So we're going to put an X on that. Our next figure is pretty small, but that doesn't matter because it is 3-dimensional. It's popping at us. And then its faces are also squares, which means this is a cube. So we're going to circle that. And then our last figure is also not 3-dimensional. It's 2-dimensional. And it's a rectangle because you can tell that all 4 sides are not equal. They have 2 sets of equal sides, but they're all not equal. So we can cross that off. And then just as a summary, we can say that for a figure to be a cube, all its faces have to be squares, meaning all the faces have 4 equal sides, and then it's got to be 3-dimensional. So it's got to pop at you. It can't just stay on the paper like a regular square. So that's it for problem 1. I will have problems 2 and 3 to you later today. Hope this is all working out for you. Have a nice day.